Shahkot Singh from class 6. Word of the day is friendship. Its meaning is relationship between people who are friends. I repeat, word of the day is friendship. Its meaning is relationship between people who are friends. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Nisha. Thought of the day is a true friend is a friend indeed. This means that a friend who helps you when you really need help is a true friend. So please be a true friend of someone. Thank you.
Take pledge position. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders due respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone as my happiness. Hands down.
One textbook is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. Old friends are gold, new friends are diamond. If you get a diamond, don't forget gold, because only gold can hold a diamond. Dear viewers, on this beautiful day, I would like to wish you Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Friendship means understanding, not agreement. It means forgiveness and not forgetting. It means the memories last, even the contact is lost. Friendship is the purest form of the relation existing between two or more people. Getting a true, sincere, and loving friend in this world is the reality of matter of life. Friends make our journey of life easy, joyous, and vibrant. Two friends always ready to help their friends in their difficult times. The friendship of Krishna and Sudama is a great example of friendship. That is why it is said by Gautam Buddha, many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends leave their footprints in your heart. Thank you.
Friends were on a journey. They had to cross through a lonely way in a forest. So they decided that they will help each other. All of a sudden, while going through the forest, they saw a bear approaching to them. Both didn't have any source to save themselves. So, one friend said to the other, "How do we save ourselves?"
Let's climb up the tree.
So, One friend said to the other, "How do we save ourselves?"
Let's climb up the tree.
"I don't know to climb up the tree." Seeing the bear very near to them, one of the friend quickly climbed a nearby tree rather than helping the other friend. The other didn't know to climb on a tree. Soon he threw himself on the ground, holding his breath as if he was not alive. And this turned to be a fact. The bear came up to him and smelled his body and thinking that he was dead, walked away. When the bear was out of sight, the friend from the tree climbed down the tree and asked his friend,
What did the bear whisper into your ears?
The other friend replied, "The bear warned me to avoid the company of friends who are selfish and leave their friends alone in danger." Children, so now you understood?
As we seen in this act, a friend didn't help his friend, but in true friendship, a friend must stand in life's up and down, joys and sorrows for his friend.
दोस्त वो है जिससे दोस्ती निभानी नहीं पड़ती। दोस्त वो है जिससे दोस्ती निभानी नहीं पड़ती। रूठ भी जाए तो भी नहीं करता नजरअंदाज। इसलिए ये रिश्ता होता है हर रिश्ते से खास। इसलिए ये रिश्ता होता है हर रिश्ते से खास। कभी वो माँ की तरह समझाता है तो कभी पिता की तरह डांटता है। कभी कभी भाई बनकर रुलाता है तो कभी कभी बहन बनकर सताता है। कभी एक आफ्ताब बन हौसला बढ़ाता है। हमें गम और खुशियों से परे ले जाता है। खुशकिस्मत है वो जिसके पास है ऐसा दोस्त, वही मुकम्मल है इस यहाँ में। खुशकिस्मत है वो जिसके पास है ऐसा दोस्त, वही मुकम्मल है इस यहाँ में। Thank you.